How to create an awesome crumpled paper effect in Photoshop. First, press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to make a copy of layer. And turn off the layer 1. Select the background layer. Go to the filter, and convert for smart filters. Go to the image, adjustments, and choose the shadow and highlights. Check the show more options. And just copy these settings. And click OK. Go to the filter and choose the filter gallery. Click the artistic folder and choose the cutout. And just copy these settings. And click OK. Turn on the layer 1. Go to the filter, pixelate, and choose color halftone. And just copy these settings. Go to Window and choose the channel. Click on the green channel. And click the Load Channel selection. Go to Edit and choose the copy. Press Ctrl and D on your keyboard to remove selection. Close the channel and go to the Layer panel. Drag the layer 1 to the trash icon. And create a new layer. Press Ctrl and V to paste the copied object. Change the blend mode of the layer 1 to hard mix. And reduce the opacity to 50%. And the fill to 20%. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. And place the crumpled paper. Drag the right and left side handles. And hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. Press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to make a copy of crumpled paper layer. And turn off the crumpled paper copy. Select the crumpled paper layer, and change the blend mode of the crumpled paper layer to linear burn. Reduce the opacity of crumpled paper to 55%. Turn on the crumpled paper copy. Change the blend mode of the crumpled copy to screen. Go to Image, Adjustments, and choose the levels. Change the input level of the shadow, midtone, and highlights point to make it work with screen blend mode. And click OK. Click on crumpled paper copy, then shift-click on layer 1. Press Ctrl and G to group several layers into a folder group. Select the layer 0. Click on the adjustment layer icon, and the choose gradient map. And click the gradient editor. Click on the gear icon and choose the import gradients. Download gradients FX file, link in the description. Open the new gradients file. And choose from the 10 gradients the one that you like. And click OK. And this is the result.